Ready to grow your business on Amazon Europe? Advertising new products early helps create awareness and may generate additional sales from day one. Before advertising, ensure your product detail page includes compelling product titles, 4 or more high-quality images, or better yet, a video showcasing your product, 3 or more bullet points covering key features, a helpful product description, and relevant search terms. Keep products reasonably priced, in stock, and aim for 5 or more customer reviews with 3.5+ star ratings. Consider A+ content for brand registry members to enhance your brand story with rich images and text. Advertisers in hardlines who advertise products less than 90 days old saw 41% more sales after a month. Advertisers in softlines saw 38% more sales growth after 4 weeks. Advertisers in consumables saw 37% more sales growth in just 2 weeks. Here's how to get started. From the Campaign Manager, click Create Campaign. Then choose Sponsored Products. Launch automatic campaigns to discover new opportunities. Then use manual campaigns with keyword targeting to reach relevant audiences. Set competitive bids to maximize visibility. Monitor performance regularly using insights like ROAS, sales, and impressions to continuously improve results and optimize your campaigns. Launching new products with Sponsored Products helps you reach relevant audiences quickly and drive measurable growth. Ready to launch your next product? Start your Sponsored Products campaign today.